First sheep head. Come on, you gotta loosen the drag, dude, or you're gonna lose this fish. First sheep head on. First sheephead, guys. All right. Y'all can see it's nasty and muggy out here. I can't run too many. Let's see what I can see. I might have water drops on my lens, but other than that, just caught my first sheephead. Yeah, as I show it to you. There you go. It started raining with a 17, 18-inch sheephead. Yes, sir. I'm surprised that jig head went into him, but it worked. Look, first guy, man, in the rain. I mean, if you look at the forecast, ain't a cloud the first. I don't know what the name of these jig heads. But oh yeah, that bent just like that, didn't it? Those jig heads ain't gonna last long with sheephead. Nope. Nope, not at all. They bent like crazy. Oh, it broke off. Yeah, it broke off. Well, we gotta put on another jig head. GoPro, stop recording.